Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for coming by. Today I have my Ipsy Glambag. Yep, the original Ipsy Glambag. One of my favorite bags that comes, especially in the $12 variety. So let's get in here and see what I got. This is the original Ipsy Glambag. It is $12. You get 5 products, generally deluxe samples, but sometimes they throw in a full-size product. As with all the Ipsy Glambags now, you get to go in and pick one of your products each month, which is kind of nice because it means you're definitely going to get something you like, but everything else is a surprise. I'm going to open this right up. I slid my little cosmetic case out and it is so cute. It is a pretty kind of lavendery pink, but mostly lavender, and it has the nice wooden pull that all of the Ipsy bags have this month. I am super happy with that. It is so pretty. Let me show you the other two. So if you get all 3 of the Ipsys, this is the ultimate, and it actually opens up into a train case. This is the top handle here. This is what we received in our Plus, and then this is the one that you get in your regular glam bag. So I love how they did the same design, but they're all in different colors, and they all have the same. Let's open this up and see what I got in here this month. I didn't do any regular add-ons this month. I did spend some points. When you go in after the end of each month and you tell them what you like about what you got, which I do hoping that it will help them refine what to send me, you earn points. I had finally earned enough points that I could go in and I bought a Thrive Lash Extensions Mascara. It came in my Ultimate box. I will put that up here in case you haven't been able to check out my Ultimate box yet, but it was kind of fun. For the month of April, Full Bloom is Ipsy's theme. And yay, I have all of my products on the inside. I love it when they're in there. I got one in each of my 3 bags and it makes unboxing it so much easier. Let's dig in and see what I received. Coming out first, I have a brush. It is an Araceli. I have never heard of that. It looks like a nice blending brush. I'm going to leave it in this bag. I have received so many brushes lately that I will set this aside in case we want to pass it along. It is the Chiquita Blending Brush, and it is a full-sized $14 value. The only thing you need to pack on your eyeshadow like a pro. This flat oval-shaped brush, mine isn't flat anymore. It's kind of ploofy, which is why I thought it was a blender. Also, the side is ripped a little, so if you get it, it came like that. It allows you to concentrate, build, and blend pigments into your lid with ease. Not only are the bristles made of ultra soft nano-synthetic fibers, they are cruelty-free and vegan too. I have a Sugar Wingman waterproof micro liner. That is what that looks like. If you have recently watched my Plus video, which I will put a link to here, I got a Tarte double-ended black eyeliner, and I was so excited because you know, we get a lot of black eyeliner, and I actually took it out and used it, and I like the way it looks, so I'm not going to take this one out. I'm going to set this aside in case I want to put it in a giveaway. It is a full-sized $11.99 value. Cat eyes, dramatic wings, or simple flicks. They're all made easy with this jet black liquid liner. It's firm, easy to control, and draws clean, crisp lines every single time. No pro skills required. And the best part? The formula is 100% waterproof, so even once it's on, it's on. That's kind of nice. I need waterproof because my eyes tend to water, so waterproof is fantastic. Next, I have Gel to Water Morning Cleanser by Tony Moly. And that is what that looks like. It's so cute. Let's see what the paperwork says. Tony Moly Moisture Boost Gel to Water Morning Cleanser. Sensitive skin? No problem. All right. This gel to water cleanser is made with natural fragrances and mild surfactants that won't make your skin feel tight or dry. Even better, it uses 5 types of Centella asiatica, aka hydrating herb, to soothe inflammation and redness on contact. And a full size would be 5 ounces, and it would be $13.50. And this is half of a fluid ounce, so it would be about $1.30. They say it's for sensitive skin. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it does come out like a gel. So it's just a clear gel right there in the beginning. And when I rub it in, it has a real basic smell. I like that a lot, actually. I guess I would have to add water to make this become foaming and milky, but it smells nice and it feels nice, so I will absolutely give that a try. All right, what do we have next? Next I have, oh, this is what I chose. This is the Glossier Priming Moisturizer Rich Luxurious Face Cream. That's a really pretty bottle. I can't tell if it's glass or plastic. I think it's plastic, but it looks like glass. Let's see what the paperwork says. It's getting warmer out, and that means lighter formulas that give you dewy, smooth skin you can't wait to show off. Made with shea and muru muru butters, this hydrator melts into your skin to relieve dryness, while ceramides and fatty acids help your skin hold on to moisture. That is really neat. I'm not going to put it on. Oh, it's so thick. Did you guys see how thick that was? I mean, it is wicked thick. Oh, it smells. I just got it on my nose, right? It smells really good too. I'm not going to put my hands in here because, well, you know. That is so thick and nice. I cannot wait to try it on my face. And my last product is Helios Luminar Smart Nail Polish. All right, that's interesting. My nail polish is going to be smart. Helios Livin' Lovely Nail Polish, $12.50 value. We're fully embracing spring's lighter color palettes with this perfect warm-toned orchid shade. This smart formula has a photo initiator that cures polish in natural light, no need for UV or LED lamps, and it dries to a smooth, gel-like finish. Plus, the longwear formula lasts for up to 10 days. Well, I will put this on when I'm done with this, and then I will try and take a picture and put it over in my Insta, because I would like to see how smart it is. Livin' Lovely is actually the name of the color. Oh, it's very pretty. I like that. Oh, it feels kind of rubberized. I like the way that feels. That is what it looks like. All right. That is it for my regular Ipsy Glambag. And just like most of the Ipsy Glambags, it just doesn't disappoint. You get a little bit of everything. It's a $12 bag. I get to try this nice Glossier moisturizer, which I have been wanting to try. The nail polish pretty much covers the cost of the bag, as does this little brush, they say, as does this eyeliner. And then we have this cute little Tony Moly cleanser. So I am very pleased to try that. Plus, this is so cute. I love this color. It is definitely going to go into my purse for spring. Of course, my purse would imply I'm leaving my house. Maybe I'll just carry this around my house. Anybody want to go bye-bye? I feel like the kids. Remember when all the kids were tiny and they would say bye-byes, bye-byes? Is that just my kid? Maybe I'll just carry this around the house, pretending like I'm leaving. Yep, that's my plan. All right, guys, that's it for my Ipsy April 2020 bag. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope you are out there taking care of yourself, taking the time to read a book or listen to music or do whatever it is that makes you happy that you don't normally have the time to do. And I'll see you really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and take care, guys.